So, yes, I just chased the subject around your house, and I was making sure he wouldn't.
The family casually walks out of their house. That was incredibly close. I don't even want to imagine what could have happened. Why are these dangerous dogs roaming the streets? A couple is walking their dog just like every other day. But they're unaware of what could happen right in front of their house just moments later. What a terrible impact. I hope they're okay. Two strange visitors circling around the house. Someone in the car throws what appears to be an explosive device into a gathering of friends. What a horrifying scene. The air is filled with smoke and the children are crying. They start checking to make sure everyone is okay after the explosion. Who's the lunatic driving around throwing explosives from their car? Here's the same moment from a different angle. Another strange visitor gets scared. A guy walks up to the camera and points something at it that I can't identify. What is that? A flipper zero? Then he runs off as if his life depends on it.
A guy has noticed the camera and starts doing all sorts of things, like shooting an imaginary basketball and spinning a screen he's holding in his hand. After that, his friend walks over. It's pretty cold, but his skills have been showcased on the big screen. The classic ring and run never goes out of style. This man seems to have woken up on the wrong side of the bed. He gives the camera the finger, not knowing what karma has in store for him. He goes down like a bowling pin. Looks like someone just scored a strike. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night and seeing this woman staring at you through the window. The moment you look back, she runs away as if she'd never been there. To make things even worse, the nearby lights go out and everything suddenly starts feeling even creepier. A neighbor who clearly isn't feeling well starts throwing up in the middle of the street. He then carries on walking, but suddenly turns back and freezes, staring into nothingness like a glitched GTA character. There's nothing wrong with taking a moment to relax and stare off into the distance while lost in your thoughts. But doing it in the middle of the street right in front of your neighbor's house is a bit strange. Just a simple glimpse of happiness, a woman dancing with her beloved dog. This is
Can't
the
answer the door
perfect
right now,
example of
but
the
if you'd like
saying
to leave a
that
message,
sooner
you can do
or
it now.
later, politics always ends up
My name is
knocking on
Theresa
your
May,
door.
and I'm here supporting Luke Graham, the Conservative candidate for the general election on the 4th of July. As you're not in, I'll pop a leaflet through your door.
A robbery takes place in the middle of the street. At least it was caught on camera. I hope they caught the person responsible. Two police officers show up at a neighbor's front door. What do you think they were looking for?
We're not interested.
Wow. Okay. Okay. No worries. See you then.
For some reason, after the alarm informed them that no one was interested in speaking to them, they decided to leave while laughing. They stuck around for a while, but we'll never know what they wanted to tell the homeowners, whether it was something important or even related to their safety. There they go, driving off to continue their patrol. Hopefully, the next homeowners will be willing to speak with them, or at least be home this time.
Bro, we just been knocking like somebody.
These two boys approach the camera and mess with something above it. It's hard to see what they're doing, but they walk away laughing. Were their intentions harmless? Let's hope everything is still okay. Looks like no one wants to open the door for them. Or maybe there's simply no one home, despite the fact that they knocked.